Hello students, in this video you are going to study about verb. Read the following sentences. The dog barked at the stranger. Mother cooks meal for us. The stars twinkle at night. Here in these examples, bark is the action done by dog. Cooks is the action done by mother. And twinkle action is done by stars. So, here the action words barked, cooks and twinkle are verbs. So, what are verbs? Verbs are the words that tell us about the actions of a person, an animal or a thing. Verbs are also called action words and doing words. A verb is the most important part of a sentence. Without a verb, we cannot form a sentence. So let's understand this point with the help of examples. Read this group of words. Meena to school. Here you can see this group of words is not giving a complete sense. It is meaningless. Now let's have one more example. Tanya pretty. Again, you can see this group of words is also not giving a complete sense. Something is missing in these two group of words. Now let's find what is that. Now read the sentences again. Meena goes to school. Now if you observe this sentence, you will find that it is giving a complete meaning. Tanya is pretty. It is also a complete sentence in itself. So the missing words were goes and is, and these are verbs. So without a verb, a sentence is meaningless. Verbs tell us three things. Number one, what a person or animal or thing does. It means verbs tell us about the actions. Number two, what a person or animal or thing has. It means verbs tell us about the possession. Number three, what a person or animal or thing is. It means verbs tell us about the state of being. So let's study about these one by one. Verbs tell us about the actions done by person, animal or thing. So let's have example for it. Number one, Jyoti plays the piano. She comes to school on her bicycle. The boy plays in the garden. She studies very hard. Now in these sentences, the words comes, plays and studies are the action words. And these actions are done by nouns or pronouns. So, verbs tell us about the actions done by a person, animal or things. Number two, verbs tell us what a person or animal or thing is. It means verbs tell us about the state of being or the situation or the condition of a person, an animal or a thing. Let's understand this with the help of examples. Meena is a student. Mrs. Verma was a kind lady. Raman is good in science. Here in these sentences, we can see the words is, was tell us about the persons. These words are not telling us about the actions done by the persons. They simply tell us what they are. Means they are telling us about the state of the being. Verbs tell us what a person or animal or thing has. It means the verbs tell us about the possession. Rina and Tina have a new pet. The dog has a small tail. Here in these examples, have and has show that what belongs to Rina and Tina and the dog. Here these are not telling us a state of being or the actions. They are telling us what belongs to the person or animal or thing. Verb tell us about the time, that is tense. There are separate forms of verbs to show present time, past time and future time. The verb that tell us about the present time is known as present tense of verb. The verb that tells the past time is known as past tense of verb, and the verb that tells the future time is called future tense of verb. So, the present tense of verb talks about something happens in present time or things or actions that happens regularly or the statements that are always true. So in these three conditions we use present tense of verb. Past tense of verb. This tense of verb talks about something or the actions that has already happened some time ago. Means the actions or the work is over with time. Future tense of verb. This tense of verb talks about the actions that will happen in the time to come. Means the work or the actions that will be done in the future time are called future tense of verb. So let's understand these with the help of examples. They are listening to music. She eats healthy food. 2 and 2 make 4. These three examples are for present tense of verb. Here, the first sentence, they are listening to music, is telling that the action is being done in the present time. She eats healthy food. This sentence tells us about the habit. 2 and 2 make 4. This is a statement which is always true. So we have used present tense of verb here. My mother went to market. He called me. Here these are the examples for past tense of verb. And these examples show that the actions were done in the past time. I shall go to Amritsar. He will write a letter. These examples shows that the actions will be done in the future. So these are the examples of future tense of verb. So in this video, we studied about the verbs, that the verbs are the action or the doing words. Verbs express three things. Number one, action done by the person, animal or thing. It tells us about the state of being, or you can say that it tells us about the situation or the condition of the person, animal or thing. And number three, it tells us about the possession. Verbs show present time, past time and future time. Means verbs tell us about the time, that is tense. Thank you.